Good evening, welcome to another video from the Southwest Modelers Collective. Tonight's model is a Japanese aircraft carrier Akagi, the limited edition from the Pearl Harbour attack, which comes with this, I'd like to say, unique patch showing all 6 carriers involved: the Akagi, the Kaga, the Hiryu, the Soryu, the Zikaku and the Shokaku. An amazing decal sheet, as well as 16 aircraft, 2 sprues of ship's boats, single piece flight deck, single piece base, and a 2-piece hull, as well as a printed sheet showing the aircraft used, the ships, their formation, and the route they took to attack Pearl Harbour. Included as well is a very detailed instruction sheet with a history of the encounter, decal sheet, as well as paint colours, and assembly instructions to start building your model. I can honestly say this is one of the most unique limited edition packages I've received, and as such I thought I'd make a little video and I hope you enjoy it. As always, leave us a like if you enjoyed the video, and feel free to leave us some feedback. Leave us some feedback if you enjoyed it. Goodbye.